Hey guys, it's Erica. A couple days ago I went to Green Thumb Nursery and I never filmed an intro, so here's the intro. This video is more of a shop with me rather than a nursery tour, but we still get to see some good plants. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. This is the cactus slash succulent section at the Green Thumb that I'm at, and I already know that I'm gonna want a bunch of these plants. I kind of like already walked around a little bit, and let me show you every plant that I want. But I'm probably not gonna buy. Okay, so first of all, this Haworthia here. I don't know, I've suddenly become such a fan of Haworthias. I have a Haworthia, I have two kinds of Haworthias right now. I don't remember their names, but this is one that I want. I haven't seen this kind before. It might be just because it's stretched out, but this one kind of looks like it's like reaching, it's like little fingers. It's called a Harry Johnson for $4.99. It's really cool. I want one of those. And you know, there's just those other little succulents. I kind of want one of these. Someone told me that, or yeah, people have told me that they bloom all year round, and these are just a really pretty, this is called a Athana capensis little pickles, but anyways, they're the ones that have really beautiful yellow flowers. So you can see there's kind of a like leftover one here, but they have these amazing green leaves and then purple stems and then just really bright yellow flowers, and it's the best thing ever. And look at these guys. This is a pink moonstone, and these are literally like stones. Like there's stones right here and they look the same. They're so beautiful, and these leaves are so big. They're so big and luscious, and it's a really nice kind of bluish purplish color. Oh my gosh, imagine just picking off one of these leaves. Wow, that really does feel like a stone. On this side, there's just some more. These are Senecio scaposus. And there's a lot of blooming little succulents. Some of them have really nice blooms that I really like. But yeah, these are just some little babies. Oh my gosh, you guys. Over here, I found this. Ooh. And this is a holiday cactus. I don't know if this is I think this is an Easter cactus or a spring cactus, and I really want to buy this one. This one is $35. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, this one's $30. $30. Look at it. These, I haven't seen such a huge one for sale before. I've barely seen like little ones for sale. But let me show you how you can tell the difference. So right here is the Thanksgiving cactus, and you can tell it's a Thanksgiving cactus because it has these really pointy edges right there. You can see they're very spiky. And then over here, these are smooth and round. They have different looking blooms too, so that's why I want one. I really want to buy this plant. It's $30. I don't think that I'm gonna end up getting it, but wow, I would love to purchase it. Moving on, you can see all these other little succulents. Really nice looking. There's rat tail cactuses hanging, and some kalanchoes, some grandpa, old man cacti. Look how beautiful these are blooming. Succulents blooming are so breathtakingly beautiful. Oh my gosh, they have bear claws here. Bear paw, variegated. So this is a variegated one, and they're called bear claws because they have Let's see if I can focus. I don't know if you can see, but they have these little kind of spikes right here. So it literally feels like a claw. It is the most adorable plant ever. And I would get one, but I don't think that I could care for it the way that it needs to be cared for. I'm pretty sure that it's just like a regular succulent, but I don't know. I don't want to risk it. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy to know that if I want one, I can come pick it up here. Sometimes it's kind of just better to admire plants at a nursery than to be the one to, you know, take it home and care for it yourself. Because you could always just come over here and just like high five a little bear paw if I want to. Okay. Moving on. These are some other cacti they have here. I've been looking for, I don't remember the cactus, what it's called specifically, but it's the one, it kind of looks lumpy. I thought it was called a totem cactus, but it's not apparently. But it has no spikes on it and it looks a little bit lumpy. They usually grow pretty tall, so I always check to see if there's any here, or maybe any spiralis cacti, which there usually isn't, of course. Those are a little bit harder to come by and they're usually very expensive anyways, so. Here's some more little blooming babies. Oh, look at these ones. So cute. Over here they have some begonias. I think these ones are really nice. I like their beautiful pink flowers and then their light colored leaves. They just look so nice together. There was some, oh, there are birds of paradise here, and I'm really close to pulling the trigger on buying a white birds of paradise, but I'm probably gonna get it from a Home Depot. So these are $29.99, which I think is a good price because these plants are a lot healthier than the ones I've seen from Home Depot. I'm just waiting to come across one that looks really good. At Home Depot they're $25, but these look amazing. So I'm trying to find one that looks amazing. You know, one of the plants that I just have that connection with, because I haven't felt that yet. But these are so gorgeous. Look at these leaves. Ah, I love them. Over here, look how gorgeous these purple flowers are. And oh, the purple is a lot darker in person. Maybe it's the sunlight, I don't know, but the purple is a lot darker, deeper in person. But this plant has fuzzy leaves. I never knew that it had these kinds of flowers. It's called a princess flower. That is so cute, a princess flower. But anyways, I saw these begonias over here. And look at the leaves on this. They are the fuzziest little taco leaves I've ever seen. They're not really soft. They're more crispy. They're very crispy taco leaves. Like, they're not soft and fuzzy like these ones. There's some baby birds of paradise here. I might just end up buying one of these little babies. These are the originate ones. I don't know their scientific names, but I'll look it up. And if there's a baby one of the one that I want, because this one, look at it. Oh, it has these cute little small leaves and then this center pink. I realized that I really like plants that are green and they have like pink stems or pink veins. I think that's such a nice contrast of color. I found this little straggler banana tree and I'm really close to pulling the trigger on buying a banana tree also. This one's $15 and this is a red one. Oh, look at that. This is the same thing. It has the red veining and that's what always gets me. But it's just a little small one. It's a little bit sad. so we're gonna let him hang out here and keep looking around. All right, I found his brothers over here, and these ones are $30. Look at this leaf popping out. Oh, seeing a good new leaf come out is just one of the best experiences ever. He's a little sad too. They're all a little bit sad. They just want a home to go to where someone will love them. Look at this cute little hanging bucket. This is $50 and it has 2 Staghorn Ferns on it. Don't water these guys. They don't want to be watered. There's a lot of really pretty like arrangements here. Look at this begonia. I'm pretty sure this is a begonia. This one is so gorgeous. It has yellow flowers. Yellow is just such a happy color. I need to see more of that. I need more plants with yellow flowers because I don't really see them that often. I need to get some for my own collection because look at that. Wow. And over here on the ground, they have this little succulent kind of thing going on. And they have little labels, which I think is awesome. I love when plants are labeled because I'm trying to know what plant I have. There's a little Staghorn Fern over there. It's just so cool to see them arranged. Like imagine if your backyard was just fully arranged and labeled like a botanic garden. How awesome would that be? Okay, also as soon as I walked in, I saw this eucalyptus tree. And I've been wanting a eucalyptus tree for a very long time. I've never seen one being sold in store. Maybe I have, but I passed over it, but this one is $40. And I really want to buy this one too. So this one and the Haworthia are plants that I really want to buy right now. But I don't think that I'm going to end up pulling the trigger. Oh my gosh, this really is a pattern. This one has like kind of reddish stems, and it has these really beautiful oval shaped leaves. Anyways, look at these leaves when they blow in the wind. Oh my gosh, I just love this plant. I really want one. Over here for the indoor plants, there's some kirkii here. Lots of Sansevieria today. Wow. So many different sizes also. And then this is my favorite room, which is the tropical plant room. So it's really warm in here. It feels amazing. But there's some African violets in here, really pretty flowers and leaves. I like the ones with variegated leaves. I kind of want some with more variegation to the leaves because I just have like these kinds. Oh, so soft. And a lot of lucky bamboo. I realized that there's probably a lot of lucky bamboo for sale because of Chinese New Year. But I spot some orchids here. This one is $24. I would expect it to go on sale. There's some other ones here. And they're looking, yeah, they don't have their flowers anymore, so they probably will go on sale soon. And then hopefully I could snatch them up then. Or maybe they'll sell them now. I don't know. And then there are the Tillandsias. Oh, more beautiful orchids. Okay. Yellow and pink flowers is amazing. And these orchids are $24. There's also these amazing Tillandsias. I've been wanting another Tillandsia, but I just don't trust myself to buy one. I wonder how much these are. They're really big and beautiful. This one is $99. It is a unit. This thing is massive. Oh my gosh. Here they have some little baby Dischidias. I like this one. This one's like the variegated version. They're so tiny. And then there's also this one. I have a Dischidia, but It's not doing too good. There's some $13 Staghorn Ferns up here. Sounds like a good price to me. You guys, look at this begonia. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. These leaves are so nice. I have one that kind of looks like this, but it's, yeah, maybe it is this begonia. I don't think so though. There's just so many begonias out there. So there's some more really cool begonias out here. This one has like a rounded leaf, some orange ones. Wow, this one is massive. Oh my gosh. This is $12.95. Jeez. That's so big. These are so pretty. These are kind of like frosty leaves. I really like this one. I don't know how much he is. It's just a little baby. Oh, this one's pinker. Nice. So they have a bunch of these little begonias too with so many colorful flowers, and I really want to buy at least one of these. These are amazing. Oh my gosh, I love them. Oh my gosh, I really want one of these. For their flowers. Their flowers are so nice. And look how cute these little ones are. They're $5.99. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. Look at this one with the yellow flowers. I said I needed more yellow flowers in my life. This looks like now's the time. You guys, look at these flowers. They're literally like bells. This is a crazy plant. Campanula. And there's so many more that are gonna come out and bloom. This is a crazy plant. Oh my gosh. So that is it for the video. I didn't buy any of the plants. I just don't have any room for plants, and I don't know. I just didn't buy any. But if I ever do like have regret, I can always go back and hopefully they will still be there, because I really liked the eucalyptus tree. But other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can give it a thumbs up if you want to. You can subscribe to my channel if you're feeling it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!